Hi everybody, hope you're all well and keeping safe. This video I'm just going to show a few of my customs. So my first one and the rest in no particular order, up to some of the stuff I'm working on today. And well, here we go. First one I ever worked on was the Corvette from Gas Monkey, Fast and Loud. All I've done is a wheel swap. First one I ever did. In the gold, the Midas Touch or Midas Monkey. It's the first one I ever did, a couple of years ago. I do like that. I watch the show, I'm a big petrol head. Anything to do with 80s, 70s, 60s cars, American and mainly British. But, that was my first one. And the rest are just random. I do like VW, so I took a majorette, rusted it up, wheel swap, and turned it into a Volkswagen service vehicle. Nice rusty roof. So it's come out well. What else have we got? Another VW. This one was the Hot Wheels. I believe it was the Superman. Again, all rusty. Details. I put in Safari windows. Detail on the front. Wheel swap. Oh no, the other wheels that came with it. So I didn't need to do a wheel swap. So that VW. Next one is another VW from Hot Wheels. It's the Custom Beetle, which is, again, I like my rust effect. Little driver I put in, detail inside with a tank, bit of a wheel swap. That's that one. Another Beetle, same casting, but a bit different, which is, again, put a driver in, detailed the tank, cut the boot off and stuck it in at an angle as if it was open. A detail on the engine, some decals, built from stolen parts I think it says, a bit of rust. Another Beetle. I believe this one was a majorette that I did. Again, rusty. You can tell the theme of this lot. Rust and patina. Deleted front bumper and back bumper. Steely wheels. What else have we got? We've got the Volkswagen Brazil, it was just a wheel swap. So this one. And I painted the inside roll cage and a bit of detail on the controls, steering wheel. Left the paint as it was, because I did like that. Some detail on the rear lights in the front. I think that's all my VWs. Next, basic wheel swap was just the Matchbox. Was it the Hot Wheels, this one? Hot Wheels Aston Martin, but I put the Matchbox wheels on it. Didn't need to do any detail, the car is just a very nice car. So that's that one. Do like the Aston. One I did for a bit of a laugh. Anybody in the UK will know this TV show, Only Fools and Horses. Which was the Reliant Robin from Hot Wheels. With the number plate I put on the back. Next we've got the let's have a look. Matchbox Mini, which was, I believe it was the Mr. Bean originally. I've turned into a Cooper Rally. Same wheels, just paint job. 3D printed roof rack and some fuel cans. Got some tyres. Painted the roll cage. There we go. That's that one. Get a little bit more adventurous. Paint and wheel swap on a Matchbox 80s Mercedes with opening features. Steelies on. Detail on the paint. Didn't touch the interior. It's a nice heavy casting, that one. And if you've seen my videos recently, you'll have seen this custom on the Doc Brown scientific truck from Back to the Future. That's one of my favourites so far. What else have we done? I've made a few gases. This one I did from Hot Wheels. Purple Passion, I think this one's called originally. Side pipes. Cut a hole out for the engine. Nice wheels in a rusty brown. And I found in a charity shop a Matchbox, again from the 80s releases, Datsun 280Z 2+2, which I didn't paint, I polished, changed the wheels, painted the interior brown. That's that one. Next is a Volvo E760, painted with detail, original wheels in a bluey purple. Then some random cheap Japanese no-name van I found I quite liked. I made that a bit worn, rusty paint, bit of detail. Just like the look of that one. Another gasser, but this is a 55 gasser. Again in rust. Wheel swap. Some details on the lights. Next, a Majorette Land Rover, long wheelbase. Rose of suspension a bit. Again 3D printed roof rack, spare fuel tank, canister and other bits and pieces. The next one was two cars joined together, mismatched. So I think it was the front was a Leslie. The back is a 32 Ford. Sorry, it's a front was a Maserati made by Lado. made my own pipes, double axle wheels, in again rust. You can see I like rust and barn finds. Then Matchbox, here 100, huge fat tyres on the back, exhaust pipes out the back, engine in the middle, fuel tank, small wheels, intercooler. Why it needs an intercooler I'll never know, but there you go. In green, British Racing green. Next one, I think it's a 55, is it, or 57? Custom. Masked it off and just painted part of it red. And a wheel swap and painted the interior red. Left the flames on because I thought they looked cool. And the chrome at the front, I put a dark wash on just to make it stand out. Quite a mean looking car. Next is another 32 Ford. I've added wiring. Again, washed out grille. Rusty looking. Fat tyres. Next again was a mix match of two different a majorette and a Matchbox. God knows what they are, I can't remember. Again, stuck together. Bit of experimental painting on it, done with nail stencils for doing females' nails or anybody's nails up, and so a nail varnish. Quite heavy, quite nice. Then I did a drag car, which is a 64 Chevelle SS. Left it part rusty, part original paintwork. Red interior, huge fat wheels on the back. Pizza cutters on the front, exhaust pipes on the back. What else did we come up with? Fairlady 2000 from Hot Wheels. Cut the roof off. Added a roll cage. Some seats from an unbranded rally car that was damaged. Black bonnet, red paint, steely wheels, and lens details. Also MX-5 Miata, which is the latest model, 2015 car release. Again, another one of these rally cars I had no seats with. Exhaust on the back. Painted the hood black and added a turbo, sticking out turbo. Bit of detail on the dash. Didn't need to do a wheel swap because the wheels are very good. And here we have the next one, the 1970 Celica. Carbon fibre body, hood, wheel swap. Black arches, white arches, detail front and back. There's that one. And obviously some of the recent stuff I've done you've just seen on the channel. We've got the Porsche I did last week, wheel swap and a bit of detail on the rear. Quite nice that. I did a truck and a car to go together for JDM. So we've got 2000 GT, JDM style. That spin, and a truck to carry it. Again, JDM, matching graffiti. All this was made by me. Wheel swap. The wheels are from Lego. Painted the cab. Oh, heavy. There's that truck. And of course, Martini Racing. Matchbox. Did last week before. I'm currently working on a Volvo. Done the interior, fuel tank, seat belts, and with that I'm making a Volvo truck to carry it. I've already stuck the back on. Need some decals putting on, which is in that. And the Volvo goes in the back. So that's it for projects that are done. I am working also a highly polished Matchbox Audi for a display cabinet case. New truck coming, I think. I can't make my mind up. Carbon tow hook, maybe, I don't know. A few classics to maybe redo. A couple of Audis and Matchbox. Also Ferrari and Matchbox. And where else? A couple of beach buggies. Again, Matchbox. Well, that's it for the time being. Until the next video, and adios. Catch you later.